Rudy wanted Planet Zoo and Kay wanted to find the dude. It was hard. She was a gap year kid with nothing, looking for something to go with her guitar. And he said, "You will be robots in the end, or at least a robot-human blend. And we'll all love the robots when they're done. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. He said that's cool, he touched her hair, his fingers left an imprint there. She said, what? He said, man's the new creator, the greater good demands a magic show. And she said, we will still be humans in the end, or at least that is what we'll pretend. And we'll always be here for better or worse.